Exercise number 45. Dear sir, I believe you are proposing to buy some house property in Beverly. Full stop. If this is so, I shall be pleased to call and show you details of Waverley House and Crowther Grange, and other desirable houses which I wish you would look over. Full stop. If you will tell me just what you desire, I think I can suit you. Full stop. I shall, however, leave all details till I see you. Full stop. If it is largely a case of low price, as I gather it is, I know I can offer you value equal to any, and with early delivery of the premises, in all cases, full stop. I specialize in valuation business, and this brings me into touch with just the right people for your purpose. Full stop. Faithfully yours. Full stop.